Good morning students. Today I am going to talk on ecology. From your school days and junior college days you might be remembering regarding the ecology, environment and number of other factors related to the ecosystems. Today I am going to cover ecosystem, that is the major topic in ecology as so far as the new education policies or syllabus is concerned. It is mainly for FY BSc Zoology students. Ecosystem comprises of number of things, especially biotic and abiotic factors. Abiotic factors, as you know, various gases like O2, CO2, inorganic chemicals, water, and as so far as the biotic components are concerned, there are various plants, animals, microorganisms, they are in the category of biotic components. There are various types of ecosystems. The first is aquatic ecosystem, second is terrestrial ecosystem, third one is desert ecosystem, and long back these ecosystems were divided into natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. Natural ecosystem comprises of aquatic ecosystem, terrestrial and desert, as you told you earlier, and artificial ecosystems are man-made, man-engineered, means agricultural farms. As so far as the aquatic ecosystems are concerned, there are lotic and lentic ecosystems, freshwater ecosystem, marine water ecosystem and brackish water ecosystem. Lentic ecosystem comprises of the stagnant water like ponds, lakes, and lotic from the name itself, some indication we are going to get, that is the running water, river, spring, etc. Freshwater ecosystems are mainly giving us number of freshwater fishes and it is useful mainly for aquaculturing also. Marine water, that is comprises of oceans and sea, some bays there, and brackish water, that is present in the estuarine region. Estuary, as I told you earlier, that is confluence of river and the ocean. All these three ecosystems are having different type of hydro parameters, we can say hydrobiological parameters. In freshwater ecosystem, salinity is low. In marine water ecosystem, that is very high, 35 40 ppt we can say, and in the brackish water, that is some semi salt that we can say. As so far as the desert ecosystem is concerned, xerophytes are there, they are the deserts, and as so far as the terrestrial ecosystem is concerned, grassland ecosystem, forest ecosystem, these ecosystems are very dominating one. Forest ecosystem will have producers like herbs, shrubs and big trees. They are also having consumers like carnivores, herbivores, grazers, and these ecosystems, all these animals, number of species, they are dependent on each other for their nutritional requirement, and such linking of each other for the food, that is called as food chain. Number of food chains are interlinked and it will form the food web. Various interactions are also occurring in all these ecosystems. If we see the producers in the aquatic ecosystems, primary producers are mainly phytoplanktons, then primary consumer will be zooplankton, that is eaten up by the small fishes, that is by the big fishes, and so on. These are the natural ecosystem. Let us take one example. If we consider crane, rat, snake and eagle, they are having one simple food chain that is naturally occurring, but you can also notice in day to day life that rat is eaten up by cat and some stray dogs, they will eat the cat, and the leopard nowadays, due to minimizing their natural habitat, they are coming to the nearby villages, and that leopard is a predator of dogs. Dog is not a natural food, actually the grazers or the herbivores, they are their natural food, but such type of ecosystem food chains rather are also prevailing nowadays. Various interactions like commensalisms, mutualism, amensalism, parasitism, prey predator, all these type of interactions and relationships are very much often occurred. As so far as the commensalism is concerned, that is a type of interaction in which one partner is benefited but other partner is neither benefited and nor get any harm. In case of mutualism, both the partners are benefited. In parasitism, one partner is benefited, it is dependent for nutrition on the other and it is causing harm to the other partner. As so far as the amensalism is concerned, one partner is getting harm, but another partner is neither benefited and not having any harm. So, such type of ecosystems are also having various phylums. Aquatic ecosystem, they will have the fishes, protozoans, terrestrial also having protozoans, and number of other organisms, phylum from protozoa up to the class Mammalia we have seen. One by one in our syllabus we will be studying all these type of studies. Okay, thanks.